Hey traders, welcome to episode 645 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here, and I appreciate it. And let's see, of the four past weekends, I've been in Vegas, 2 of them. So figured it'd probably be a good idea to just chill out and not go out or do anything, and just look at Bitcoin with you, fantastic people. And that's what I'm doing. Bitcoin has done nothing but just sell off a little bit on a Friday night. 10,330. Still almost done with the antibiotics. I mean, I'm done with them, but it's just like still like draining and stuff. So ready to be completely over that crap. And I guess if I do a day stream and we talk about like everything I can possibly about Bitcoin, all I can do is kind of just reiterate the analysis. And it's pretty good in terms of the correlation of price action to the trend line, the horizontal line trend line at 9,800. Really just because of the daily. And how we fell below it twice, double bottomed, got back above it, never back tested it though until August 15th, and then we did, and we ran up, made a lower high, which is concerning. Yeah, it sucked, but when you came back down on the 4 hour, you were completely exhausted. Not completely, but just you were showing bullish divergence, some form of exhaustion, and so it could go lower again, and you could make a slightly lower low and maybe get even more divergence on the 4 hour. But as it stands now, on the close that we got 3 hours, 12 minutes ago, bullish engulfing candle. All right, so that's good, man. Bullish engulfing candles are very nice. And you did look to touch points off the support on the right side. So it's like a double bottom with a double bottom, right? But we know, zooming in, it's really this. It on candle closes, it kind of is, right? I mean, it's so close. You had one wick, and that wick is 80% retrace before everything played out. You hit it. The support was just too strong, and that's why we always look left, man. Historical supports. I mean, how many times do we look left? Have we been looking left since we were getting up to these areas? Because there's just not much, from 10K, 9,800 to 11,200. All right, and here we are. I mean, go back to daily. Can someone tell me where real resistance is? Where overhead resistance is? It's 11.2. So you double bottomed off this, and now you begin to rally. And I know that 10.7 can be 10,750 could be an area of resistance for sure, and there's some wicks here, I get it, but I mean that's the next one, man. What's the most recent thing that Bitcoin's done? Consecutive high or low, right? Here's your lowest low, here's your higher low. Here's your higher low, and then here's your technical even higher low, 10,100 on the daily. So that just is, if people are super bearish, it's like, hey man, you can't be that bearish. Your bearish argument's not very strong. You can say the bullish argument's not very strong either, but guess what? At least the bullish argument is the uptrend that you've been in. And also, I mean, a 2-month long correction, that's not weird either. That happens all the time, all over the place, all over the markets, before a continuation. It's a pause in the trend. And it's necessary for long-term sustained uptrends. And Bitcoin got these a lot. And we've looked back in time, history of Bitcoin, and it's done these things. It's gone through these 1 month, 2 month long consolidation little phases before it runs again. So whatever, man. Where is it? Ethereum. Still right there, man. We're in log scale here. We're right there. Look, $180. Holy crap. September 2018, April 2019. You're trying to, on the 4 hour, really looks like you're trying to double bottom. And you can kind of barely see it on the daily. And when you can see this low on price, this slightly lower low on price at a critical support, and there's divergence, it's just like, oh my God. Those are like really good things for a long, like those are really nice coinciding variables that you don't get all the time. And when you see them, it's like, dang, let's pay homage to those variables. Pretty sweet, man. What's up, Harris Fisher? Thanks for the kind words. Really appreciate it. Just kind of taking it easy last night. I mean, the chat kind of destroyed me on the wheel spin. Oh my God. That was one of the worst, like the toughest wheel spin. You know, I got in debt at one time because of Drink Troll, but like, I'm just saying for the amount of times we spun, I got 4 chugs, and that's like, whoa, more than ever, like that. Man, I don't know, Russ. It's Friday night, so can't like get mad at people for having lives and doing things, right? Ooh, Monica, get wrecked. Someone wreck Monica. Thank you. What's up, Disco Chuck? Wait. Yeah. Hold on. Am I crazy? What's up, Katana? Herbert, Jeremy S. The old Jeremy S. The Raven Coin, Falling Wedge, Jesus, man. Awesome. Uh-oh, bearish and golden candle happening on XRP. Uh-oh. Positive momentum beginning to wane. Maybe it happens. It's not always going to go straight up, but yeah, you really do eventually want to go up and test that 29-cent area. The faster the better. Soon enough, you know, sometimes what the double bottoms will do, if they like fail, they'll just like run up like 50% from the previous high and just fart around, right? Never get there, and then just dump, right? That's, yeah, you don't want that on XRP. And really, I don't even know, with the circulating supply and all that being nuts, who knows how that affects the prices, you know. Hey, Young Love. So, Mr. Ludic. Oh, what's up, Phil Centura? Good day, mate. Or should I call you Air Kanji? We went for the jugular, too. Hey, Danny Armada. So, we love Crypto Man. Ray Toshi, I like it. Relaxing sounds, likes the beats. Good man. Sexy beats, he says. Hey, Jesus. Hey, Mr. Peabody. What's up, dudes? How's Austin treating ya? Does it cool down any? It was incessant heat, but it was nothing like Vegas. That heat is a different world. So, Lil Thatch. The Swipe app? What is that? What are you talking about here? Swipe app? On YouTube, I don't get it, man. Vechain? What about Vechain, man? Did it do things? People were saying. There's draining, man. Ready to be like completely over this crap. All right, so I kind of wanted to. I want to do this. Do I need to put this on the weekly? It just kind of gets busy when I show it all. because, but it all has its own purpose here, and this is gold's. All right, I plotted a channel, so you know, gold's awesome breakout. Guess what happened today when the Dow dropped 800 points or so? I mean, I think close to 700 down or something. But gold made a really nice bullish engulfing candle, and it's right back where actually had the highest. All right, 52-week highs on candle close today on gold. Chat 1527. Where are you? I'll show you where you are. You're at just resistance areas. Pretty much one of the only resistances you had on the way up. It was just the way gold did this on the way down. That's the same way, right? It goes straight up because it doesn't build any sort of support on the, or yeah, resistance. It doesn't build the future resistance on the way down with consolidation. So here we are, closing the day right at a May of 2012 level. And yeah, you're gonna have, you know, different like candle closes like 1539, 1550, whatever. But you know, after you can kind of breach this area, there's no real major overhead resistance. You know, you got a little bit. You got the 618, and look at that. You got the 1618, pretty much. That's pretty cool. 1618 overhead resistance right around the 618 from the all-time high to that lowest low of its bear market. And, yeah, minor ones on the way up, but the major ones up at like 1800 or so. And a lot of analysts think that gold's might make all-time highs on this run because the pattern that was in development is larger than your face. It is about the size of Jupiter, all right, as far as like pattern sizes go. I mean, July 2013 starting all the way to June of 2019. Crazy pattern, man. All right. And then like just the fundamentals of the 10.5-year market cycle that is still going. But hey, man, you know, dude, I'm telling you, a Friday close, those aren't really good. Those are really bad. Because on Friday, I said it in the day stream, like Mondays can be really ugly if you have bad selling on Friday. That's like Black Monday. Yeah. Like the week before was pretty bad. It's like it was actually the first trading day of my life was Black Monday because I was born on October 17th, which was a Saturday, and it happened 2 days later, October 19th. Hilarious, man. Anyway, so more zoomed in now. We look, you know, anchor point 1 and 2, and then 3 on the bottom. Oh, nice heart line. But you broke out. You're out, man. Okay. It's showing the ascent, right? That angle of ascent is getting steeper to the upside. You're like you're like legging up right now. Pog in the chat. Mini pogs in chat for gold. 52-week candle high close today. Hi, this is Crypto and Chill episode like 17 or something. And it's the year of 2018. Somewhere back in like March, I guess. Sweet. So, how's y'all's evening going, chat? Are you even there? Is there a pulse at all? So I'll be here. I'm trying to just stick around for the 4-hour close. You know. See how that goes. I just I don't understand, man. What am I looking at on Vechain, man? Ooh, never mind. Thought maybe Harmonic-y stuff with, you know, with the Walmart crap. Dude, it's Walmart. It's freaking Walmart. And it's not. It's not Walmart. Just kidding. So I wonder from like the lowest low to the highest high how far we've retraced. Whoa. Holy crap. Bouncing off that 886. That's... Who cares though? You know how many times you bounced and did nothing? Now it is trying to make... It's like right at a resistance, you know. Needs to break that. And then run up to 53.53. That's the... If this thing went into reverse its trend. Dude, I don't even know. Like, what do you even do here? It's probably just... Alright. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah, look. Candle high close. A wick. A wick. And then a wick. And then the heart line. Right? You're like right on it. So... And you could have zoomed in. There's probably like I don't know. It looked like maybe a wedge or something. This thing's just like the rest now, man. Like, you know, very small little pattern, and it broke out, man. Oh my god. Now there was divergence down here. Like every other altcoin, good for Vechain. It's not doing anything special, man. It's just, yeah, barely making bullish divergence on the RSI. Great.
Is that a joint?
Love you, man. Cool face.
Thanks, Chaz, for the 420. Is that a joint contribution? Much love, man. You are an OG. You've been around a long time, dude. Thanks for all the support. It means everything. Yeah, dude. You were probably around during I was joking about, it's the year 2018. It's Crypto and Chill episode 17. You were probably around. You probably were watching that episode, man, back then. So. I mean, this is just crap, man. This is a crap chart. Like, that stuff, what do you want me to do? Like, trying to figure it out. Right? Do you use the top? Do you just do that? Yeah, it actually lines up perfectly. There you go. Using the wicks. Alright. Great, man. So, you know, look, if it wanted to break out, it'd be like 48% of 1 penny. That was funny. I remember, I think Logan was talking to Vet Moonboy about something about Vechain maybe being at 45 cents. 45% of 1 penny, sorry. And Vet Moonboy freaked out. And now, like, we got as low yesterday at 41% of 1 penny. Monkey ass. Monkey ass for Vechain. It was a nice uptrend, though, for a little while, right? It went up and it respected the TA. It got to the golden zone, even on the Walmart stuff. I think it was maybe even before it. Good, man. Good. Excuse me. Oh, man. So pretty. You know, this one. Believe it or not. Man, this one's it's a beaut. It's ICX. And I'm just saying because it, you know, a lot of the altcoins didn't do this. Like, they would all, like, scrub out when it got to, like, these levels. This one blasted to the upsides. It was the one that got away because it would have been decent because of the beautiful RSI divergence you had down here right at that support, man.
Everyone left, but I'm still here. Hype in the chat.
Is that a joint?
Joey Burkle, man, thanks for the 420 super chat. Wow, you and Chaz, appreciate it. Really do. Y'all are amazing. All right, I don't know how many people are watching, and I'm not gonna look. Okay, so thanks for people watching, and thanks for just being here. Okay, just hanging out, taking it easy, because again, 2 out of the past 4 weeks on the weekend right now, I've been in Vegas, so just taking it easy. So, you know, it's like you also have the downtrend too, and you just went up and touched it perfectly, and you know you're not breaking that to like 28 cents or something.
Bruh.
Thanks, brah. I learn every day, even if I am not your fastest student. Hey chat, what are you drinking tonight? Cheers.
Hey, 1G man, thanks for the 1618 man, the golden mean ratio contribution, dude. Thank you. Hey man, we all have our own pace, and I think you've come a very long way, man. And I think you're very knowledgeable, alright? So, it's just people that want to invest in themselves, doesn't happen as often as you would think. So, this community is amazing because that's like all we do, right, in this community is try to invest in ourselves. Yeah, we have memes and jokes and all that, but, you know, we're all really kind of focused on getting better. And that is just like when you're involved with this community at any time, right? When you engage, you're probably maybe getting better. Versus, I don't know, another community, it might not be like that. I don't know, right? But it's special, man. Holy crap, what is it? The 28th or the 27th? My own YouTube channel 1 year anniversary is coming up in less than a week. Like 4 days or something. And so, man, we were so close. Like, so close to getting 20K subs before the 1 year mark. Just couldn't get it over the goal line, I don't think, man. Right? It was like, just market volatility. It happens, man. It's welcome to streaming. Yeah, 19,484 right now. It's great, man. It's freaking great. I can't even believe it, dude. Crypto gains, you just hoping, man. Why are you hoping? Why do you have to hope? Why can't you just look at the chart and say what you think the higher probabilities would have been? And if you were reading the chart, you'd have been like, dang, dude, there was a higher probability Bitcoin would have broken to the upside at 9,800 because of the divergence. Hey, Lister, what's up, dude? Yeah, Jason, man. It's been a long one. You've been around a lot of y'all been around a long time. Trader Mark, well, thank you for watching and giving me a shot, man. You know, everyone at one point had to open their ears and give me a chance.
Is that a joint?
So,
Thanks for showing up day after day. I had fun last night. Can you check out GBTC on the daily, maybe even 4 hour? I feel like it's following BTC, but I suck at Harmonic still. Can you help me find one?
dude, it's probably not what you're looking for, man. It's pretty gnarly. Yeah, man, thank you for the 420. Seriously, thank you. I don't know, dude. It's Harmonic. I mean, do you want to consider that a swing high? That's kind of like the swing high. I don't know if that is the swing high, but yeah, obviously you could try to X, A, B, C, D, but okay. It's just making higher lows now, I guess, right? It's just low liquid S coin. Right, just kind of, in a way, kind of just looks like a bear pole bear flag, but clearly there's probably a downtrend. Oh, it broke out of the downtrend, man. Oh my god. Oh, it could have been a wedge or something, right? I don't know, man. It's not Though, you know, it's just like kind of like Bitcoin right now where, oh, yeah, Bitcoin kind of broke out of a channel or something like an uptrend, but a geometrical, but it didn't make like higher highs than the previous highs, right? You have to like break above all this stuff and then back test it before your trend becomes like bullish. This is still like bearish. Like, screw this. Like, I don't care about this. Like, you shouldn't either, unless you're talking about shorting maybe. Yeah, it was just, where's the demand on it, man? It broke out. I mean, it's not an uptrend. It's in a downtrend. And so, you know, you try to take a long here is, you can try, man. Good luck. Good luck. It's just an illiquid S coin, and it is in a bear trend.
Bruh.
I remember driving around and listening to you religiously while at work all of 2018. Thanks for what you do. Let's keep doing things. Look at TRX.
Eli Bach, man. Eli back. Thank you, man, so much for the $5 super chat. All of 2018, man. Yeah, we were live pretty much every day, I guess. Like, there were a few days we weren't, I guess, but against my will. But thank you, man, for all the support and watching. It's been a wild journey, man. It's been like 18 months or something. It just still feels like a dream, man. Oh yeah, someone like clipped me. That's one thing I like about Twitch, because there's like, you can just easily clip things on stream. What kind of ZRX you talking about? Are you talking about ZRX US dollar or something? Hold on, let me see here. Yeah. This one. This scrub. Yeah, it broke out. It definitely broke some down slipping resistance. But it'll probably just come and back test 22 cents. It's continuing to rally. It's up 4% on this day, on the new day. So it's getting close to the 23% retrace at least. It had bullish convergence. It did not really have bullish divergence. I mean, it was like, you know, a double bottom, so it was like pretty much, but it was a slightly higher low. So you couldn't call it divergence, you have to call it convergence, which is cool. But yeah, I mean, it was probably just something like this. Very simple. Yeah, probably gets a descending broadening wedge or something too. Yeah, nice. Hit the heart line, support, and you broke it, man. You broke it. And again, if you're talking about just Fibonacci, like assets that commonly retrace after they do breakouts, you're talking about common retrace levels. Between 382,618, it's going to be like 24 cents to 29.31 cents if it's made it. But that's a big if, man. Big if. Devastated. Destroyed. Awful. Bearish trend. Very bearish trend. And it broke out of a bearish rectangle pretty much. Bearish range. Right? And it's going to come back up and it'll probably attempt to at least test 22 cents if the demand's there. There's no guarantee the demand will be there. Especially if Bitcoin wants to sell off. That's it. That's your ZRX. Congratulations.
Bruh.
On all your success, ZRX. Been a long journey. Remember when it was at like $2? Decentralized exchange, man. Sub 19 cents. My music end? What? I can't even hear. Ew, it seems like y'all can hear. I just can't hear. So Private Wins, man. He said TRX, not ZRX? Nuh-uh. He did say TRX. Oh my god. Well, there's your ZRX. But yeah, we'll look at TRX now, man, okay? Sorry about that, dude. I could have sworn it said ZRX. Getting debated by myself. Okay. Oh boy. Don't. Ooh, someone talking about Cypher maybe. X A B C D connect. And it's like, oh, even the wick, man. You have to have the wick. Because if you use down here, I think it's too high of a retrace. I think you can only go 141% of the way on C on the ciphers. Dang, dude. Yeah, that's cool. Oh my God. Justin Sun? Is he about to go long, man? He might be going long soon, dude. Holy crap. Where's the divergence? The lamb sauce. Where's the lamb sauce? It's there. It's kind of there. Look, low on price. What? Low on price. Low on price? Dude. Definitely diverging on the MACD somehow, some way. In a quite ridiculous fashion, I guess. Look at that. That spike and then this. Almost nothing. All in Tron Connect, Kappa. And there's a support here too. Kind of. Kind of there. It's Tron, man. It's Tron. It's not a traditional market. It's Justin Sun, kidney stones, boogers, Warren Buffett. Or Warren Buffett, you know, I was saying Warren Buffett because of the meme. And Warren Buffett, too, remember him. And then you had Golden Corral. We don't know, man. It's not like, you know, it's not like a traditional asset. It's Tron Connect, man. So maybe it works out. No, that's better. Whatever, dude. I mean, look. Remember what Tron did? I didn't even go from the all-time high. I just went from this. It's pretty discernible high, even though probably I could have and should have gone with this. But me keeping it like this, being stubborn and saying I want this swing high because this is a discernible swing high, and it's like the previous one to that low. We did hit. We double topped at the 382, the beginning of the golden zone. Before it all came crashing down. Humpty Dumpty, man. Oh yeah, Enigma, nice, man. Yeah, there you go. But the question isn't about the cipher anymore. It's about Justin Sun. That's it. And this asset. Is it a big joke? Maybe. Yes. What's up, Aquinas Theory? Boom, we got your name right again. The space is dead right now. Yeah. Hey, been here before, man. I've been here before. But it's Friday night, too. So coincide a sentiment crypto bear market, right? For the, I guess, YouTube anyway. You know, coincide that with it being Friday night. And there you have it. Magic. But at least we got some good music going. And I've got a beer, so I'm happy. I'm safe and sound in my cozy office. Oh, I love my office, man. So nice in here. So Iceberg versus Games. Any recommendations? Yes. Valentina's barbecue. Get the brisket. Sonny, that was the best brisket I ever had at Valentina's. So it's a little drive, but it's still in Austin for sure. It's not like bad. It's not bad at all. It's like maybe like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Can't remember, 15, whatever. It doesn't matter. Just go and get the brisket. That's my recommendation. Also, Azul, the rooftop bar. You gotta go. You gotta go to Azul, man. I'm pretty sure it's Azul, not Azure. Azul. Blue in Spanish or something. What's up, Altered States? Enigma, you get it, man. You get it, man. Baron von Pfaffenhofen, welcome. Thanks for watching on the Friday night. Your house is your office, Bit Boss. Cheers. Oh yeah, Aquinas, man, I know. Yeah, you have. And thanks for just all the support. It's like people like you. This community is just so wonderful. It's like this freaking beam of holiness, man. Friday night coinciding chill connect. Yes, Wayne. I came back like a whipped dog. Seriously. Better than DiGiorno's, man. Did you say DiGiorno's? Yes, Russ. I didn't really know. And it was, when I went to Austin, it was like my, I went for a layover once, but it was my first time ever in Texas. Like, for real. And it was really cool. Really good. It's just quite the jump, man. To just leave. And I only know like a few people there, Anna, so it'd be crazy to like move there. Oh my god, it's Vladimir. Welcome, Vladimir, the crypto impaler. Welcome, dude. What's up, the hog? So major metacarpal, Demetrius Amegalol. Yeah, because toxicity is like just not tolerated, man. It just gets wiped out, and then the siege of time makes sure it's erased. It's nice because like someone can only expend so much energy being like with using hate and just doing like futile things, and then they just go do something else, right? They lose interest. Any more TA tonight? Sure, man. Passive aggressive much, dudes? Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. So I'm looking at GBTC. It's like the asset, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. And it's different. It's a different chart. And it's because like I used 1 here and 2 here. And then 3 here. It's like the same one we use on like all the other ones, like the futures chart and the spot price of Bitcoin. That top one. And it's all nuts, of course, but never sustains outside, right? More than like a day. Or 2, whatever. And so just 1 and 2 and 3. You can see how we bounced off and, we're rallying. So, and it's just following Bitcoin. It's like following the Bitcoin spot price. But it's just cool that it's there's different touch points on this one. Right? Like the spot price is inside of its channel still. Barely, but it is. So is this one. There's your TA. Is that good, man? What's up, my Shiranui? Thank you. Love your support. Adam Rogers, that's for you, dude. A little bit more TA. Hey, Thomas Coward, man. Thanks so much for the sub, man. Welcome. So this one, you know, our old friend ADA, which, you know, someone's talking about, we didn't quite get to entry as it invalid. And it's like, well, you know, it pretty much did on the wick, right? But we know that even if it got to the entry, it could go lower because of the 1414 fib extension that's right here at like, whatever, 3.994 cents. So the zone of entry is here, and you're kind of above it right now. And it's like, when you're in this, I mean, you just have to make the executive decision yourself. And it's like, do you think that, you know, if Bitcoin starts rallying, these altcoins start rallying, are you going to miss it? And it's like, one could just take a smaller percentage of the position they were going to take here on the entry and get in if they wanted. And that's like a form of FOMO, whatever. But like, it's just a small percentage just in case, like, it never makes it back down there. At least one had an opportunity to get a little bit of profit on the way up if it was a successful, like, you know, trade. And then like still have the other entry, the limit buy down here, right? 75, 80%, whatever. And then like if it sold off again, it would just be like some form of layering, like you're like layering into the position. And so the bulk of the position's still at the entry, right? So that was just like the only way to say it, I guess. And you just have, yeah, divergence going on with this asset for real. I mean, do you have something like, yeah, it's like there's like this down sloping resistance here too. Oh my god, dude. And then, yeah, like only 2 touch points, whatever. But, you know, just think about it, man. Think about it on the daily. Right? You had a huge impulse, clear impulse, and then you start this upsloping consolidation, 2 converging upsloping trend lines, clear rising wedge on the tail end of, you know, after the impulse, which we know these wedges are like, they're like indicative of like reversals a lot of times. So this would be a rising wedge reversal. You know, it's been going on since July 15th, so over a month of the upsloping price contraction. Yeah, upsloping price contraction. Wow. I didn't really see it. I was just thinking about the harmonic, and it's like, dang, dude, if you look at the structure, it's also showing exhaustion. And then, you know, again, like, would one be taking an entry like on an asset, or would one be like taking a long position up here when you're like screaming exhaustion? Like, I have to flip this over, but it's saying like bearish divergence up here. Good God. What happened? I don't know, dude. Hello? I don't know, is chat just delayed? Okay. Sweet. Dang, man. So insane. Here's silver. This beautiful uptrend. Look how it did that higher low, you know, harmonic stuff, X, A, B, C, D thing stuff, right? And so it's, you know, you're right at, I think today on silver. We just matched it. We matched highs from August 13th. So matched 52-week highs. And we also hit from your high point of the wedge to the low point. We also retouched the golden mean ratio at the 1618 right here at 1739.
Bruh.
Chat's working, is it? Man, okay. So, yep, silver is now reversing the upside. We go to daily. Going into log. It's only be visible in the 4 hour. All that, but yeah, like where you are now, it's kind of like a higher low double bottom. I don't know if this needs to be visible, I think, on the daily. Just can't get rid of that. All right, you see that higher low double bottom, but there's a double bottom here too, which is hilarious, right? I wonder here, you know, it's like here's that major high to low. Did we retrace? Nah, we didn't retrace enough, man. But then some would argue that this is the high point, X, A, B, C, D. That means you can go much higher, but you got to break this overhead resistance. There's a lot of it, man, right? Lots of overhead resistance for silver. Then go to the weekly. Oh my God. Man, this is just like y'all remember Bitcoin? All this down stuff and then like the buy wall with the distribution and then it eventually just tanks. And you want to look at like on the weekly chat. What is going on with silver on the weekly? Jesus. Mother of God. October of 2015, the first low. The second low, August, September 2018. Not to mention the geometrical breakout we have had. Thank you very much, man. Bullish convergence on the higher low. Wow. It's freaking magic, man. It's freaking magic. That's the neckline. $21 is the neckline for silver. Oh my God. And it's also critical resistance look left. February 2008. A measure move of this pattern on silver. It's like $28.
Bruh.
So there you go. A way more zoomed out view of silver. And it looks pretty nice, man. All right, we got 1 minute chat. I made it.
Bruh.
Made it the 60-minute mark. Gotta be proud of me on crypto being dead. All right. Let's go to it. Sorry. Yeah, look on heads. Oh my God, man. Here it is, dude. Yeah, 1G project, certainly it is. There you go. 5 seconds. What's up, Bearable guy? Thanks, dude. You too. Alright, so the first 4-hour candle of the new day has closed. And the selling, I mean, yeah, it was a lower low than the previous low, right? That's okay, man. It doesn't even matter. You could sell off all the way down to 9,900 again. You scared? You scared and still be okay. Of course, you don't want that. Of course, you just want to keep going. But, you know, any kind of pause is fine. Look, you know, anytime. Look, you get little sell-offs here. You know, you get these little sell-offs before you run again, man. It's not that crazy. So no one freak out. Man, it's just like, I was just staring at it last night by myself. I'm just like, there's the support. We fell below the support twice, actually double bottomed below it and rallied, and then we back tested it. We back tested the spring, and now we're double bottoming off of the spring. And it's just like, am I crazy? Does no one else think that's like insanely like bullish, like, or good? I'm just like, and it's just all the consecutive daily and 4-hour higher lows and the long-term uptrend. It's just crazy, man. General Neutral King scared, dude. What's up, Den, man? Ben's 420. Time frame on this uptrend. What you talking about, man? Good luck timing things on markets. Just not how you can do it. Not really. Seconds match the hi-hat perfectly, Wayne. Wow. Crazy, dude. Oh yeah, Brad Anderson, is your grandma want to know about GE? Nah, probably screwed, man. Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. I don't know, but it's like been terrible though. It's not a like. Why is this off? It's so bad, dude. Dude, log scale on GE is so gnarly, but it's like almost like you have to look at it like this in a way. Just give me a sec. Wow. I do want to look at it. Just look at it. GE, man, I used the candle low close here, not the wick. When I did that, I got the heartline touches, the 75 touch, the heartline resistance here when it was support before. All right, you're selling off, but you're not at 52-week lows. Yeah, man, definitely very ugly here. Zoomed in, right? It's just a bearish trend, man. This is like, this is 2000. So think about the context here. This is a very, very zoomed out chart. But beyond that, man, hey, this is back in 1970, 1968, man.
Bruh.
We're still doing fine, man. You're still doing great if you got him back here. What are you worried about? Just some downslope consolidation. After a very nice uptrend. Man, you went from 63 cents all the way up to 60 bucks. Now you're $8. Terrible. All right. So that's the weekly. Let's go to monthly. So the monthly, if you have to zoom it up or bring it up a little bit. That's it, man. Like, I don't even know. Like, you could try to. Is there a trend line here? 1 and 2. Nah, it's like you already broke it. Whoa, hold on. Let's see. 1, 2. It's kind of like it was like that, and like you just broke it. Holy crap! You broke this 1975, 1980, 2009 support, man. And you back tested it too. What?
Bruh.
You back tested it, failed all year to break back above it when it was once support, and now you've dumped. Cook your books, scrubs. That's GE. They did that, or they got there's whistleblowers coming out saying that, I think. So I don't know, man. Kind of monkey S on GE. So does it even matter? Zooming in on it, you're talking about your grandma. So your grandma is probably, living large, dude. Creating the Pepe memes. All the cool stuff you do in the 80s and 90s before the lower highs set in. Okay, man. That's it, dude. Dude, Domino's, man. Like, how could you not be so scared and take profit on Domino's, Domino's pizza. Domino's, man. Give me the pepperonis. This is up like Bitcoin performance-wise, dude. Oh, not really, but it's insane, dude. All right, think about it. The lowest low, 241, 2008. It got as high as $300+. It's the monthly. The weekly. Look at that, man. Look at the topping action up there, man. It's just, when did you ever top on the way up? You didn't, man. You didn't. Good God. Double top connect.
Bruh.
Boo.
A ghost says boo. Dude, if you don't like the show, man, you don't have to boo, man. You don't have to boo me. Is that how this works? Thank you, ghost, man. Oh, boy. Boo, you scared me, man. You scared me. So, not really good, right? Not really what you want to see, because that, you broke it this week. Real bad, man. Real bad. Swing low to swing high. The music stopped? Yeah, it did stop. What are we going to do? Give me a sec. I got this, man. Dude, I totally want to play more of the Zoo. The Zoo's just so good, man. Let me find it. Oh, yeah, this is the one, dude. FPS thing, yeah, you can.
And then a BTC trade setup. When is the right time to raise your stop loss once you're in profit area? Would you raise it to your buy-in price?
That's a wonderful strategy. Yeah, I mean, if you're in around that area, then that's it, dude. Yep. Like, yeah, go. I mean, if it breaks down again and hits that area, then you made money. You even could put it a little bit in the green, just a little bit. But you know, then you run the risk of getting stopped out and then rallying again. But think about it: one could get stopped out, and for an break-even price, really, and then it sells off again. But then the oscillator starts showing us even more bullish divergence and stuff. Then it's like, critical thinking makes me think maybe, just maybe, it might be getting even more exhausted, right? Boo. Thank you, FPS Tank. And Ghost. And Dan Williams. So that's not good, man. That's kind of like triple top stuff right there. One top, two top, three tops. And, you know, the measure move. Ooh, we got log. Log's just a little off. Not bad. It's not what you're looking for, though, man. Not what you wanted here on Domino's Connect. Because that measure move, if the macro takes a dump too. Ooh, 164. You ready for that? That's a big support. And, you know, there's support here at like 217, but here's the big one, man, down here. Again, it's just been going and going and going. Parabola Connect. And Parabola Connect is kind of like broken here, maybe?
Robot,
Bruh.
tip $25. I am not amused.
I am not amused.
Oh my god.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Thank you, Robot, for the 25, man. Much love, dude. Do robots eat pizza? Everyone eats pizza, but maybe robots also eat pizza. Let us know. Thank you.
Bruh.
So you get what's kind of happening, man. It's like this parabola curve. Well, there you go. Just like that, pretty much. And you broke it, right? The parabola curve has been thwarted. Give me my pizza.
Bruh.
Beautiful, though, isn't it? I mean, it's very nice. I'm gonna get into beer. Hold on. Beer Connect. Just sit back, enjoy this.
Bruh.
ET phone home.
Oh, Alien. The Alien himself is now the session top Jesus. The Alien just beat out the robot and then the Ghost. So we have, hold on, Alien, Ghost. All right, we have the robot. Okay. Let's see how many names are written down, dude. We have so many scary things that are tipping right now. I think there's just not enough crazy things out there. All right. Oh, it's the French talk again. 1G, what is she saying?
C'est un rêve impossible. Tu m'avais dans la paume de ta main, tout ce que t'avais à faire, c'est de me dire de rester.
Bruh.
Mais t'es parti. Et t'es revenu. Et puis t'es reparti. Et puis t'es revenu. Encore
Can't do it, man.
et
Hold on.
encore.
What is wrong with my internet? just don't understand it, man. It's like something's wrong. Something's going on. It's just new. It's like this new weird thing. Policeman.
Police officer, male sign, tip $25. You have the right to remain
Tout ce que
silent.
t'avais à faire, c'est de me dire de
Please.
rester. Et je ferai
Police officer, male sign.
toujours avec toi.
I'm not gonna put male sign.
Alors pourquoi t'es parti? Pourquoi tu m'as laissé?
bruh,
Thank you, police officer. You have the right to
Ça va nous échapper
remain
entre les doigts et un jour ou l'autre, de toute façon.
French right
Ça,
now.
ça va s'arrêter.
Okay. Hold on a sec. The right to remain silent? Hold on. We will be silent. Thank you, police officer. Don't shoot. Alright. Had to play that, man. That was just so good, dude. Alright. So this is another mix, man, by Johnny M. Super good. Close your eyes. Let the technical analysis take over. Dude, this is so ridiculous, man. Oh, it's so soothing though, isn't it? Bitcoin's at 10,373. Dude, I don't know why. It's just too fun, man, sometimes. It's too fun doing this. Psycho, I don't think so, man. Alright? Man, that Domino's chart's super sexual. Yeah, I'm writing them down, dude. They're all written down, dude. Alright? You'll run out, dude. You will run out. I will sip every time. Okay. Oh, dude, I just can't stop looking at it. It's just, oh. That was it, dude. It had its swings, man. It's 3 more. But it's the party over for Domino's, man. What a ride. Maybe $300, man. She say it's an impossible dream. Impossible dream. She talking a man that come and go. What is that, turtle?
Zombie,
A
tip
zombie.
$25. Did one of my buddies already eat your brains?
Thank you, zombie female. Zombie female. Alright, police officer, can you get on this? We have a security breach of the zombies. Zombie connects, man. Zombie females. Don't think it matters if you're a zombie what gender you are. Or at least sex, whatever. What sex you are. Well, I guess it doesn't matter what gender you are either if you're a zombie, right? Will it ever happen? We have a binary zombie.
bruh,
It's too good, man. Too good of music. I just can't believe it though. Like, I can't hear it for some reason. Oh, let me check my mixer. It has to be something. Is that it? That's it. Okay, now I can hear it real well. Sweet. Oh no, I'm just crazy. Dude, something's wrong. What happened? Someone's birthday, man? Bit Boss, we don't do that, man. We don't do the zombie stuff, right? We don't do zombie sex, man. That's weird. I know, Kevin. I can't wait, man. I need my fix to college football. Go Gators tomorrow for sure. All right, we want Florida to win. All right, chat. We don't want Miami to win. Okay, so yeah, dude. I just don't we'll see. Wow. CRM was up today. What? How did CRM do well today? Was it earnings? No. Yes, it was pretty much earnings. Wow. CRM killed it on earnings today. They were expected to have a minus 5-cent EPS, and they ended up surprising and having a 16-cent EPS beat. So they were expected to not make money, and they actually made money. That's lit, dude. That's a real lit surprise. For the whole market, man, you know, hey, dude, y'all want some toys? Oh my god. Female zombie, you want some toys? Here's some toys. Hasbro Connect.
Bruh.
This is log scale. And it's freaking beautiful. And this is all the way back from the year 2000. Everyone wants toys. This thing got demolished today.
Bruh.
Ant.
This reminds me of the time I walked under a magnifying glass.
What is this? A magnifying glass for ants? Or something, right? I don't get it. This reminds you of the time you walked under a magnifying glass. Because you're an ant. Because ants are small, but when he went under that, he got burned, right? The ant did. Was it something like that? Thank you, Mr. Ant. God. It's hilarious, dude, because look, it's like up here. You see it? That's pretty hilarious, man. Seeing the actual ant. Hello, Ant-Man. Oh, yeah, by the way. Cheers. So a big bearish engulfing candle, and you probably could see follow-through price action on Monday. Another big red candle down. Across the markets, man. Across the freaking markets. Stock market doesn't take kindly to big moves down like this. You're in serious hazard. I mean, is it still an ascending little triangle, right? You see the upsloping support. You see the horizontal line resistance. Okay, could just be a bearish continuation. Or, my God, Trump could pull the lever and it could just be a bullish reversal. Good God. I mean, like, seriously. Things getting really hairy right now. And I think there's a support right here, too. Man, there's just a decent amount of support right here. March 2018, June of 2018, November 2018, December 2018. You see it everywhere, man. I'll tell you this, though, man. What the heck? Seriously, dude. What? It's like this, man. That's not good, man. This pretty much just to me looks like a right angled and ascending broadening formation of some sort. Right? It's not good, man. It's not really what you're looking for, I don't think, at all. Like, it's pretty much just like a straight line on the bottom and then upsloping resistance. I mean, is it slightly higher or low? I guess. It's pretty much the freaking same. And that's a bearish pattern, if I've ever seen one. I know it is not a bullish pattern. Okay. Uh-oh, look what you did. You fell again below this little area right there. Partial rise. 1G man. I don't know if there's enough touch points. There's a lot. I mean, there's a couple of touch points on both sides. Just not 3. But God, man, it's still there. Bull Counts, you'd be like, dang, dude, you know, that's kind of close, man. Yeah, I can see it. I can definitely see it somewhat, man. Whoa. Can't believe that just happened, dude. No wheel spins tonight, man. Sorry, that was last night, and I got destroyed. 4 wheel spin chug variations got hit. And it's like I had to chug a beer at the beginning of the day stream today because I was so in debt. It was just like, because I couldn't do it. I was like, oh, God, man, 4 chugs, man. I was open the stream with one and did it. So, whatever, got wrecked. At least tonight's kind of tame, right? No chug variations have gone off yet. Knock on wood. Bearded dragons. I used to be a bearded dragon or something. Yes. Erratic heartbeat pattern. Yeah, I think Volkowski talks about that one, man. I think he talks about it for sure, man. But this is just like for real. Like, why not? That's it, dude. That's 2000, the tech bubble pop, the global financial crisis buyout. Here we are, man. 2618 fib extension, I think. Hype in the chat. Hype in the chat for the 2618. From previous all-time highs to the lowest low of the global financial crisis. We're using that because that is previous one, man. That's like it. So you touched it like the Jesus, man. And no higher. No higher. But let's not believe in fibs. Okay. Screw fibs. A velvet wheel? What are you talking about? A velvet wheel? It's just what is this, man? John Jesus? It's pretty wild, man. I think that's pretty wild. And look, even and you know, if you're like, oh, screw fibs, it's like, how can you say screw fibs?
Bruh.
Cricket, tip $25. This is only slightly better than listening to my live stream.
He's speaking of cricket right now. Thank you, Cricket Man. Cricket Man. Only slightly better. Hey, man. I'll have to deal with it, man. It's only slightly better. I don't know, though. I mean, like, crickets, though, at night in the summer. Okay, man. Not bad. At least for me, anyway. I mean, I go outside, you know, put on the citronella candle and listen to all the crickets chirp away.
Bruh.
So don't devalue yourself, cricket man. All right, you're cool, dude. Oh my god. So that's just wild. That's so wild, man.
Bruh.
Dude, Mike. Type in the chat for Grasshopper and Mike.
Thank you for your dedication, it is truly appreciated. Your knowledge is contagious, the way you present is easy to enjoy. Hype in the chat. Gangs.
Hype in the chat for Mike. Hype in the chat for Jerron too. Thank you. Thank both of you. Wow, holy crap. Boom.
US users close trades on Binance before deadline.
You heard it. Listen to Mr. Lodick. Though I do think that you can still sell, right? I think that was the thing, and maybe I'm wrong. I mean, I got out, but like, I think you can still, yeah, sell and then transfer. You just can't buy anymore. You can't like do anything. But yeah, why would you even want to be in there, right? I hear you, dude. So this is a non-log scale channel that you've been in. All right, the whole time. The whole time, and now you're the 2618, man. Well, you can't, good God, the 3618, 391, or that's nearly 4,000 the S&P 500 would have to go to. Nearly 4,000 to get to 3618. Give me a break, man. And look, that's what I was going to say, man. I was going to say this. Look, so, oh, screw fibs. It's like, no, don't screw fibs, because high to low, look at the 1618. This was the glut, man. This is where we couldn't move. This is like China. China was like melting down, and they're melting down again. They're really quiet about it, dude. China's screwed. They're so over leveraged. Their banks are being bought out. They're being bailed out already, like smaller ones. It hadn't even like gone into full effect. China's, and the good news is like we're like a lot of the West, like America especially, is not too tied to that crap, which is good. So because they're once they like implode, man. Like a lot of people think that they're screwed. Okay. Like China, what they're doing. All right. So here it was. It was like the stat here. Okay. So all of US banks have assets around 19 trillion. China has like, all their banks have like 46 hold on. God, man, I'm trying to think about it, man. It's yeah, we're 19 trillion, they're 46 trillion. Maybe 49 trillion even. Okay? But think about it like this. You know what they were in 2008, 2009, or 2007? That area? They had 4 trillion. Their banks had $4 trillion worth of assets. Okay? What happened? I'm sorry. House of Cards, dude. It's crazy, man. Like, China is real bad, dude. And it's good we're not that over. I mean, we're not that tied to all that crap. Like, that crisis they're gonna have is now like completely intertwined with our economy. So it's good. But anyway, so and that just like this right here made me think about China, this area, because we didn't grow from like December of 2014 all the way to like, you know, the presidential election, right? You didn't grow. You just were range bound. But it also shows up on the chart too, doesn't it? The gold mean ratio.
When is the deadline? Where is a good place to go for you as resident?
The deadline? I mean, it's like, I thought it was like a few days or something at this point, right? It's soon. Kraken's good. I mean, you can just do Coinbase Pro. I mean, you just think Bybit is starting. I mean, I'm hearing good things about Bybit. This is crap.
Poo. Tip $25.
Poo.
This is crap.
Thank you, Poo, for the 25. Cheers, man. This is crap? What's crap? China? I mean, it's real, dude. It's real. They have over their banks have over $40 trillion worth of assets, and most of them they're like Fugazi, man. It's like paper. Like what? And evidently I learned that it was the same way with like the Soviet Union, where they had like an economy like the size of California, and they were growing, and then it was like, this is like way back in like the 60s or 70s or something, and then it was like their economy actually, once we did like audits of their numbers, we found out they were like, Russia's economy was like half the size of California. It was like hilarious, man. And so, yeah, dude, that's But what they've been doing is, you know, they've been like getting jobs out of the US, right? So another stat is, since the year 2000, since 1946, the United States has had a 3.5% GDP like growth, right? It's like we grew 3.5% every year. 1946, 2000. And then China joined the World Trade Organization like 2000, 2001. And that's when everything started changing. That's when like China started making deals with our leaders, the US leaders, and there's leaders of the West, and started, hey, we started giving up our manufacturing in the Midwest. And then since 2001, right, GDP has been like, it's 1.9% growth. And so, yeah, like that's kind of what's been happening. We were killing it for a long time, and then we weren't. And now, like, whatever. I don't even want to talk about it, because then we started talking about politics and stuff. But anyway. Sorry, man. I was learning new things, trying to talk to y'all about things. It's like crazy, man. It's like so illuminating. So yes, Pooh must be from China, dude. If you're enjoying the live stream, the like button, the bell, that's up. Thanks to the 430, we'll just say 420.
Is that a joint?
So we can do that. People watching. Thanks for the 156 likes. But most importantly, thanks for watching on this Friday night, where we've had multiple guests. The alien, the ghost, the robot, the police officer, the zombie female, the ant, the cricket, and most importantly, and most recently, Mr. Pooh. Thank you, Mr. Pooh. Excuse me, man. Excuse me. Fiji water. Was it fake news when people were talking about Fiji water and the water bottle isn't even from Fiji? Is that bullcrap or is that real life? David Abel, I have binders full of cryptocurrencies because my rule is when I get tipped or someone gives me crypto, I just don't sell it. I just hold on to it. So yeah, PF Stings, I believe we did look at ADA. Yeah, we did look at ADA, and it was crazy, man. The way we looked at it. Look at this, man. This is how we analyzed it, man. You really missed out on the alt. I guess I'm giving it to you now, but look, man, it's like, who wants to ever go long on a position that had a huge impulse up and is now showing a rising wedge near a critical PCZ of the pattern, and it's showing bearish divergence on both oscillators? Who would want to enter on that? Who would want to say, hey, I'm going long now, dude. I'm going long. It's gonna break out. That's not how it works, dude. Yeah, fake Fijian water stayed home dead. I remember like someone, I don't know, like where I heard that or read that. I think King Logan might know more about it. Okay. All right, at Mr. Peabody. Have a good one, dudes. Hey, Aramis. Good to see you, man. Crypto for Kids. Hi. Time to drink, Joey? Sure. Do it, dude. Haram, we already looked at GE in the stream, so you can just rewind and you'll find it, man. All right. We actually like took a deep look at it. So we zoomed out to the Mariana Trench on GE. Back to the late 60s, man. Man, when GE started showing up on the chart, which I think has been around much longer than that, but I think just since data was shown on the TradingView chart, Bama had a wonderful dynasty going with Paul Bear Bryant. It was beautiful. And here we are again. Welcome back to the 60s and 70s, bruh. Gotta love it. I don't know, Haram, just start rewinding, I guess. Much earlier in the stream. Yes, I am, Miguel. I am. And it doesn't look like you'd want to take a long on this position, does it? No, it doesn't at all. Stuff, whatever, man. Free content, dude. That's what life's about, man. Just like, if you learn stuff, try to teach people stuff, man. What is it? It's the game you have to play with the watch party. Every time someone asks about a stock that we have already looked at, we have to take a drink. Oh my god. Dude, y'all are getting drunk then. Alright, everyone asks about ADA. Everyone asks about GE, the S&P. And then start asking about different things like the S&P on the weekly and log scale, not log scale. Look at Fibonacci from the previous high to low. Alright. Let's look at Binance. This is log scale. Let's look at this one, man. Binance Connect. I mean, look, you did in fact kind of have, but see, it's like you didn't have it here. You kind of had hidden bullish evidence on Binance here, but you broken out, man. You broke out of a channel, but you're still so high up. You broke the descending riding wedge. You're still holding on, but you're just sitting right here. And there's distribution going on. It's kind of just like you're range bound. And there's just this little support right here. And you could fall and hit 25 bucks. Again, and that's right at a support from April 2019. And a wick, right, from your previous all-time highs, January 2018. All right, so you're way up there on Binance. Can the craziness continue? Is it just a pause in the uptrend for another higher high? Which your all-time high is at $38. And why does it keep doing that, man? Come on. There we go. Oh, man, I should mess with that more often. Definitely. What's up, Brad, man? Fake water, man.
Bruh.
Thank you, Fake Water, for the $20.07 Bitcoin contribution, cryptocurrency contribution. Dang, dude. Much love. Wow. Open the chat for Fake Water. See the Fiji Fake Water? You get what I'm saying, man? That's what we're talking about. Someone gets the meme. Someone gets what's going on. Like Spike for Fake Water. All right. And poo.
Bruh.
Can you look at Levi? I love the fundamentals, but it's been a dog.
Yeah, Todd. It is totally a dog. It's awful, man. It's freaking awful, man. I mean, how do you even? You know, I think I've tried looking at this before. And guess what you're doing now? You're showing bullish divergence on the MACD. Congratulations, man.
Bruh.
Detective, tip $25. Vincent here to find good content, but it's not easy.
Detector mail. Hold on. Did it say detector mail? Hey, you're detecting mails? Gross, dude. Alright, detector. I know. Where can the content be found, man? I just can't find this content that you speak of. This guy's just looking at lines, dude. Listening to music, looking at lines. In the chat. See, you would think it'd be like more like that, but what does that do right there? You know, I guess you could see the hardline resistance. detector. Do you see a bullish trend here, Kappa? What if we flip the chart around? Dude, I don't know, man. Like, the thing is, when you look at it like that, it's almost like you have bearish divergence up here. You're like, whoa, man. You're near the top of the channel, you know. Showing a little exhaustion. I don't know, man. Could be asking to sell off. Right, maybe. So it's just like you had the impulse and then just the channel. And you're trying to pivot here and rally again, or just dump out. Okay. Whatever, man. Levi and Strauss.
Bruh.
Okay. Bullish Gartley, what? I don't know, man. Kind of doesn't look like that. Yeah, maybe actually on the 4 hour, yeah. Yeah. I kind of get you, man. You're talking like a little bit of X, a little bit of A. And sorry, 75% retrace.
Bruh.
Nope. Nope, it's not, dude. It's actually not. It's too deep of a retrace, man. It's too deep. You need a 618 way up here. Okay, it was just too deep of a retrace, man. So I get what you're saying, man. I get what you're trying to articulate, but man, it's just a little too deep. It's too close to 786. You're too close, man. Not to mention, Vergus, that the clothing sales have crashed this year. They're terrible. Enigma, oh man. Oh man, what? Olong Johnson? Ooh, I need the Olong Johnson. Someone tell that to Zachery. Okay. So I can play Olong Johnson whenever I want. Dude, we're getting closer to the to a hat, man. It's been like 3 weeks, I think. Julie, I don't know. Might have to go break the seal. I might have to. And it's kind of wedgy wedge too. Look, 1, 2, 3. Down sloping convergence. So I mean, look, you know, bullish divergence. So again, it doesn't have to be out of emojis.
Bruh.
Out of emojis, man shrugging, tip $25. That's all I got. I was just teasing BTW. Your stream is totally eggplant.
Eggplant. All right, well, I'll write down eggplant then, okay. Eggplant connect. I can keep up, man. I can definitely keep up. It sounds like your emojis can't, though, man. Sorry. What do you think about it? Huh? Out of emojis? Though it's not a valid pattern, harmonic, per se, because it's too deep of a retrace, you are showing in an overwhelmingly bullish trend, you're showing bullish divergence on both oscillators. Out of emojis might also be like, dang, dude, it's actually pretty decent. That might mean, out of emoji says, it might mean impending price action versus the upsides.
Mitch could be anywhere, but he is here. Smash that like, that sub, that bell.
Bruh.
Thanks, Steph Wilson, man. I could be anywhere, but I'm here. So thank you. Much love. Y'all are amazing. Freaking love y'all. I have to break the seal, though. All right? But I'll leave the music to you. 2 seconds. On the France Radio, man. Come on, dude. Mute Connect. What, Logan? Huh? Hype?
Bruh.
Dude, Mr. Bear, thanks so much for the what? 25, Mr. Bear, dude. BNB sucks, going to 0. You know what, man? Super Bear. Dude, you know what's crazy about BNB's chart? It looks like the altcoins, right? Like the BTC pairs or any other S coin that's not Bitcoin or BNB or Link. Terrible, dude. Not great. Definitely terrible. Definitely Chernobyl chart here. Kappa inverse. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, man. Here we are. Shark Connect, in a way. Yeah, I get it, man. Not using the stupidness. Using this because it makes sense. This is insanity. This makes sense. Alright, I seriously, man, I don't know, dude, about the wig. Like, really? I'm just using like where it seemed like where it came back 3 times. Okay, it's definitely some sort of potential butterfly. All right. I know it's weird, but it's there. I mean, this is a harmonic. It's also a downsloping channel as well, but I think the white's throwing me off a little bit. So on this harmonic, let's make it a different color. There we go. Looks better. All right, you can clearly see the channel and the harmony. Daily. Boom. Here you go. Looks better here. See, so it's a stupid wick. You got all this other stuff. You got candle closes and wicks up here. Okay. Critical thinking, man. We're just thinking for ourselves. We're showing bullish divergence on the daily on both oscillators. You're very close on XLM. Very, very close, man. Wow. Okay. APF saying, I hope you realize I was doing the inverse chart. It was a falling wedge with bullish divergence, right? Not rising wedge to bearish. Oh, Julia, we have not the jar's not full yet. Okay, there's no hat vote yet. Thank you though. What? Crypto Tiger's birthday? Huh? Crypto Tiger, man. Type in the chat for Crypto Tiger if he's still here. I don't know. This was many eons ago. Kappa. It was like 10 minutes ago. Hold on, I never got this thing back up. Happy birthday!
Bruh.
Happy birthday, Crypto Tiger, man. What a wild, strange journey it's been, but you're here. You've been with us for a long time. My GPU's freaking out. Dude, it's so crazy. There's this guy I watch who like does like little nice edited, and he does a great job commentating. He like covers and does documentaries kind of on CX, which is like the lowest common denominator of IRL of just streaming in general. And it's very entertaining because of the degeneracy and how messed up it is. Oh my god, he hates us so much.
Bruh.
Man, bear, pig. Tip $25. I hate you guys so much.
I have some evidence Manbear Pig could be in this area. I have some evidence Manbear Pig could be in this area.
Oh my god, Mambo Hit Pig hates us. Have man, have bad pig. Holy crap. Manbear Pig, what he meant to say was happy birthday to Crypto Tiger. Get wrecked. Destroyed. Oh yeah, must sip. Here, cheers. This game's too easy, Manbear Pig. Too easy, man. I run circles around Manbear Pig all day. Just watch. I want to turn on the confetti, man. Alright, we're good now. Friar drop zone. The fact that I don't know where it is means I'm probably not very close to it. How about that? That's Friar drop zone's in Fort Benning, Georgia. No, it's Fort Mitchell, Alabama. Ooh, Fort Mitchell. Hey, man. This is where my house is, dude. That's it, dude. This is Fort Mitchell right here, dude. It's right outside. Hi in the chat for Friar Drop Zone. Get it? The Friar Drop Zone, man. The dipping, you know, frying chickens and fish and other things too. 22 likes till 200 says Side Girl. Do it for her, not for me. Johnny Charger, hi, ASL. Cut the birthday cake, Burgess. Thanks, man. See, Julia says she loves Manbear Pig. Oh, you're killing Manbear Pig of all things with love. Wow. Is it my birthday? No. Aramis, it's not. It's none of them. I can't help when people try to debate and say it's my birthday. It's not. It has not been my birthday this year. Not once. The robot you like? Which one? I have multiple robot things, dude. And the drugs are bad, MK. Alright, I'll do those for you because it's your birthday.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Marijuana's bad.
There you go, dude. That was for you. Mort Fitchell. Dude, I know about Mort Fitchell. That's up in, Ode Island. Okay. Like Rhode Island, but whatever. I don't know. Mother of God. Where is that, though? I think it's just down 65 somewhere. Of course. Like, not even a Google map of it. What a joke, dude. Wikimapia? Wikimapia is real? It says Fort Benning, Georgia. It's so weird. Dude, I don't know. I'm just gonna live to forget. The Physicalist. Thanks, man. We appreciate it. Stay-at-home dads from Rhode Island. Get wrecked. How does that even work? How's that even real life? Stay-at-home king, man. Wow. That's right, Peter Piper. The 17th, the third weekend in October. It's always been and always will be. Okay. Trader Mark, he just said peace out to Binance. He's done, man. He's done with it, man. Uh-oh. Hyping the chat for IOTA. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. IOTA doing things. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see, chat? Daily time scale on IOTA Connect. 1, 2, 3. Clear downtrend. You're gonna be a while, man. You're gonna be in the downtrend for a little bit, man. Look, 1 and 2. That's it. That's the Momo shift. I'm sorry. I don't care who you are. All right. You're at a critical support. You're showing extreme amounts of bullish divergence on IOTA. It might break the upside. It's saying impending price action reversal to the upside, not on the daily time scale. Thank you very much. Let it be noted right now for the world to hear. Cigarette.
Watching this stream may be harmful to your health.
Yeah, maybe mine, dude. Easy to keep up though, man. Mr. Cigarettes. I mean, it's not quite full. There's still a little gap. Okay, right here. There's a gap. You can see my mouse in the jar. That means we can't vote yet on the hat. But I don't know, man. I mean, there have been times when we've been battling and it was harmful, but this is a nice stroll, man. You know, it's a nice, healthy stroll. It's just, I take a sip every now and then and we're good, man. Do I see what the Waymons have been doing to you, the Waymons? Did y'all hear PewDiePie got married? He had a wedding and all that stuff. Good for him, man. You know, who cares about the other people, the JS people that are trying to fight PewDiePie? Go PewDiePie, man. We can get confirmed divergence after the first, second tick, lower. You don't really know exactly, man, but you see it. Look, there's a low and there's a low, and you see really when you know it's starting to come to, when you see the weak price action and you see that waning Momo, right, where it's like it made its highest high, but then all of a sudden the next day it made a weaker, like a lower level of negative Momo, and it was you know. I like this. I like the why it's showing. I think there's less volume involved on the next day, and it's just showing waning Momo. All right, and so it's not 100% reliable. You know, the color change, scheme change, but you can see when it starts rounding out, you're diverging now, and definitely sometimes like you'll see it just start picking up again and starts dumping. But that's why having it on both oscillators is good. And then there's like a lot of times when you have like a low on price, a low on price, and the MACD looks like this. And then sometimes on the RSI, it's like on the tail end, you'll make a low and then a lower low. And then sometimes it'll be like a higher level of relative strength. You'll show like tail end, I like calling it tail end bullish divergence. With the other oscillator, they're showing you clear MACD bullish divergence already. And it's like, oh, argument. Like makes my argument stronger that there's more divergence now, man. Okay, it'll be a while for IOTA potatoes, but at critical support, diverging, could break to the upside, but still in this downtrend.
Bruh.
Balloon, tip $25. Straw poll, who is more full of hot air? Me or Mitch?
Who's more full of beer, man? Me, man, but I'm fine. I'm good, dude. I can do this all night, Mr. Balloon Man. All right. What happened to the jar? It didn't move. Look, there's still a gap in the jar. Who is more full of hot air? All right, we'll do it. Let me make sure I'm good here, okay? Oh, yeah. Okay, chat, here's the poll. Go vote. Oh my god! I love it, dude. Freaking love it. This is Stay at Home Dad. It is. It's a neck and neck race, man. Neck and neck. Go vote like your life depends on it, man.
Bruh. Bruh.
Okay. It's getting closer and closer, Mr. Hot Air Balloon.
Bruh.
Sorry. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Side girl, this is not boom times, this is consolidation times. And it's Friday night too, Saturday morning. Yep, been live now. 2 hours and 5 minutes. Enjoy the live stream. Do your thing. Antibiotics. Yeah, dude. Just finished today. Fantastic. Yes, Bitcoin Boogie. That's like where I learned everything. I didn't learn it really anything in crypto except kind of like how the crypto dynamics work of the market. Right? I'm trying to apply stuff that was, it's been researched for a very long time on traditional markets, trying to apply it here to this market, this very infantile. We're all pioneers, man. We're all Lewis and Clark here. All right. And a lot of times everything plays out pretty freaking nicely, dude. The divergence, the harmonics, man. Coinciding variables play out very well on liquid assets. Bitcoin. It respects the TA, man. The giggles? Kayla, what you talking about? We're giggles, man? Why do I... Dots on Link? Why do you hate it so much? It's just not fun to look at, dude. It's like, whatever, man. It like pumped. And it's like, oh, what's the value, man? Value on Link right now. Oh my god. Because people like you ask about it every single day and assume I hate it when I just don't really care about it at all. That's it, dude. It's like you're giving Link too much credit to think I actually have feelings for it. That's weird, dude. I don't have feelings for this object, this asset that is inanimate. Okay? It definitely showing some sort of price contraction right now after a huge, insane, ridiculous run up all summer. And, you know, it's a neutral pattern. So what does that mean? It means that things can happen, man. What did you say, guy?
Hey, Mr. Ray. I hope this message comes at an appropriate time for the tip jar. Have we started voting on a hat yet?
Oh. Well, unfortunately... Oh, dang, dude, the jar is full. Okay, we'll get right back to the Link 8 Fest in moments. Alright, Julia. Okay, I got it. Oh my god, chat, look. Never has this happened before. Wow. Unreal, dude. Anyway. Oh, nice one, Julia. That link you gave me showed it. Okay, I didn't even get to vote on it. All right. I know what Julia voted. What the heck? All right, hat time. Hat time connect. What a week, man. What a week of adversity and recovery. And here we are on Saturday. It's a new day. Chat. Can you believe it, man? Put me in a hot air balloon and going to the moon, side girl. Where'd it go? What the heck? Oh God. Okay, I guess I'm gonna be Vet Moon Boy. Since no one's voting. What a joke, man. The votes broke for you, Candid Solo, man? Yeah, because you're voting for probably the wrong thing, dude. Jeez. Balls are starting to fall. I mean, I guess. Not really. Sure. What's that, young love, man? What does that mean? Gandalf the Ray, you're my only hope, dudes. Hype in chat for Gandalf Ray. The Gandalf hat. Okay. It's 18. Alright. You got... It's screwed. There's 29 votes here. Okay. 29 votes. Just not gonna happen. Thanks for the 370 people still here on this interesting Friday evening where we're voting on a hat. Moon Boy detected. Yeah. Yes. It's been a long time since I've worn the Moon Boy hat. But it looks like it's gonna happen, man. Alright, I'm just gonna go Moon Boy it. Hold on a sec. Okay, dude. Hold on.
Bruh, 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 bruh.
Johnny and my lips.
What's up? How you doing? Got a Vet Moon Boy hat on it, as requested. Out of chat. Here's the evidence, dude.
Bruh.
Been a minute. Yes, Omar. Many of us own the Bitcoin.
Bruh.
What's up, wizard
Mate,
man?
tip $25. Nice headpiece, brew.
Is the TTS off? It's so weird, dude. I don't understand why is it doing that. Hold on. Thank you, wizard man. Dang, did we get a wizard? Holy crap, man. Mine, wizard mine. I gotta fix this, man. On my side, it's killing me. That might be it right there, dude. That might be it too. And that might be a little bit too, man, okay? I think we might have fixed it, man. Screw IOTA. Why we IOTA, man? Could look at Bitcoin all day. Thank you, Wizardman. Oh, I'm here. Cheers. Keeping up, dude. Easy. Easiest game of my life. Omar, we don't talk about our actual holdings because it makes you a target. So we are doing it for your own safety that we deleted that message, okay? It's just not good. Wow, it's loud. What? How the F is going on, man? Did I just say that? What the F is going on, man? Or something weird like that? Okay, man. We're Bob Rossen. We've been Bob Rossen for many eons now. Man, the pivot and the divergence. Seems like the positive memo is beginning to wane a little bit. Gross. A lower high, lower levels, a positive memo, a little bearish convergence. So maybe we sell off a little bit more again. We'll see, man. What's up, JDR? How you doing, man? It's going well, dude. Going dandy. Dandy Connect. You know what I'm saying, man? We had 200.
Bruh.
Please clap.
Maybe we should just do fireworks because it's like, you know, it's like the old days. Back before anyone cared. Fireworks. There they are. For Vet Moonboy and 200 likes. Wow. How's it doing? That's what you said. You asked. How's it doing? It's doing, man. It's doing well. No, I did not see that Antonio Brown showed up to the Raiders camp in a hot air balloon. That's freaking hilarious, dude. Wow. He'll have fun doing that next year when they're in Vegas. Oh, Spock Talk, man. Maybe it is just one person, the composite operator, churning the wheels, man. The composite operator. Old Wyckoff, yeah. Scooby Snacks. What's up, Elliot Urbina? Good to see you, man. 100K in an hour. Yep, pretty much. Helio line anytime, man. Good lord, dude. It's a new age. Oh my god, we have Xbox 360 people watching, dude. Get your Xboxes out. Japan's bringing PlayStation. That's the MACD histogram. Crypto daddies. We have stay-at-home dad. We have crypto daddies. And they're typing next to each other, too. Let's go. Ivan Shepard crypto dads. Inverse head and shoulders on Cardano? Nah. I wouldn't look at it like that, man. Did we looked at Cardano like twice, man? Here's third time. What is that to you, man? Inverse head and shoulders, or how about just a falling wedge connect in a way near PCZ of something that is what?
Bruh.
Not bragging.
Not bragging, tip $25. I currently have 274.6523 BTC in my portfolio on Binance, but thinking I should pick up another 0.5 BTC at these prices. Thoughts?
Well, I mean, the best area value was probably around the 9,800 area, but yeah, so you're a little behind on the value. But hey, man, if the bull trends continue, right? If this is really real, like, you know, it's never happened in history, and of course, history can change always. But Bitcoin, after it's recovered, all right, after it has this type of U-shaped recovery, it's, you know, range bound, you know, whatever. Okay, after it's every single one of these dumps it's had, the huge bear markets, the corrections, the scary, it's all over for Bitcoin. It's never failed to continue to run up to make all-time highs. This would be the first. This would be the first time. So that's just something to think about. Wow. So this is going to be the first lower high we ever make. All right. Well, then it's probably done for Bitcoin's probably done for a long, long time, if that's the case. But with that being said, I'm sorry, but when you recover and you go from $3,150 to nearly $14,000, going through a 2-month-long correction is necessary. It like has to happen. Like if it's to run to higher prices, like it can't just keep going up, man, over and over and over nonstop. It just can't, dude. And it's like, you know, you even know, Mr. Not Bragging, like we looked at this, you know, I think sometime earlier this week, and it's like on all these run-ups, you have these like corrections that last a month or two, and then they break to the upside again, right? It's just like, so I just think that people being bearish are just, wow, man, they're geniuses. They just all know that this is it for Bitcoin. It's going to make a lower high for real, and it's going to 2K. Pretentious, man. Super pretentious. Like, the fact that anyone thinks they know where something's going to go and they make these long, drawn out on something so speculative like Bitcoin. How can someone say it's going to 2K at this point when it hadn't even broke 7,500, hasn't even broke 9,000? It's just nuts, man. It's like just, that's not really how it works. Like the trend analysis, I mean, that's why we keep adjusting. When you keep making higher lows, you keep adjusting that linear uptrend, and you're still in it until you're not. And really, it's new local bottom. You know, breaking 9,200, 9,000 is bad, but then breaking 7,500, then we'll talk, right? It's like, it's all about what the asset's doing, not about what it's gonna do, man.
Bruh.
Binance will only let me withdraw $5 million value daily. Do you know I can get my limits raised?
We're gonna ask Omar. Omar knows. Omar Namir would probably know. Hey, Omar, dude. Can you get the limits raised from 5 million to above? Let us know, dude. Thank you. Not Bragging Connect. Thank you so much for the 50. Whoa, dude. Not Bragging just came in and destroyed. Oh my God, dude. We had 12 different people in here fighting each other for Session Top Jesus, and then Not Bragging comes in and destroys all of them. Not bragging or anything, but not bragging. Okay. Something like that. Hold on. Let me find this other one. Man, this guy is so good. Aw, no way, dude.
Bruh.
Sorry, dude. I'm just kidding. Let's just Kappa-ing around. When is the best time to Kappa? Friday night. If you have a problem with capping on Friday night, you might need to check your pulse. Something might be wrong, man. I think Not Bragging can back me up on that. Dude, I can't get this volume right. Gosh. That's pretty good. Dude, it's like impossible to get perfect. Too loud. Too quiet. I'm screwed. I'm gonna have to go with that. No March on Coinbase. Well, so no, Not Bragging said he's on. Well, I think he's trying to withdraw from Binance. He probably has millions on Coinbase too, though, because he's not bragging. So we're serious here. It's not a joke. Hands at the ready for the sound clips.
Practical dip.
Let's say Young Love hypothetically has 35 million in Dogecoin. Dang, dude. I don't know, dude. Wow. Dogecoin. Anyone having 35 million in Dogecoin, that means they got a lot more money than that. Because guess what? Someone having 35 million, being overextended in an asset like Dogecoin, most of their portfolio, something's wrong. And how do they even get that much money to begin with if they're like all in on Dogecoin? Jeez. Stay-at-home dad, yep. He won the internet for the day. As it did. Hi, Serge. Have a good one, man. No, man. RS Nerd, like someone with 5 million, what if it's a small percentage of their portfolio? Right? Their overall portfolio. It's really not weird. It's all about context. And context is tough, man. MG, I don't know if they can use the net of Ripple, dude. I don't know. Chat, what are y'all doing? Welcome. Wake up. What is happening, man? Hats. You see hats, man. Hey, guess what? If you're banned on YouTube, don't be coming at me acting like I banned you. Okay, because I didn't. You have to say something extremely effed up, racist, sexist, whatever, for me to have to ban you. And it would only be because I saw it first and was able to click first. But, dude, I just don't do banning. I don't ban people. It's the mod, so get over it. Don't think that it's me, man. Don't take it out on me. Don't come at me, dude. Don't you be pressing me because someone else banned you, dude. I ain't got time for that. It means you're clearly not paying attention to how much work and effort I'm putting into these charts, trying to articulate and explain them. Okay. What's up, Josh Holy, man? Nice, Crypto Daddies. It's nice. I mean, hey, I use his scrim. I don't really use the lines. I have them hidden, okay? Funds are Safu. Yep, they are. They certainly are. And there's nothing you can do about it. Okay. Bro, I'm just saying, right? Can you not see the makings of a potential, just maybe potential harmonic here? X, A, B, C, D. What? X, A, B, C, D. X, A, B, C, D. Come on. And if it fails, all right. But I'm just saying, man. The thing that is just too important here, something that is just, it's almost impossible to ignore, is the fact that at 10,000, this support, you fell below it twice in July. You broke back above it, then you back tested it. You back tested the spring. You rallied, you sold off, you back tested the spring. You double bottomed off the back test of the spring, and you bullishly engulfed, and you're in an uptrend. I get it, man. I get that people could be bearish here. I guess, but damn, dude, that's why coffee and really good price action. Really good price action, dude. Ooh, too easy. Tyler, man, you jelly, man. You jelly. Ooh, hey, look at that tip jar, Tyler Johnson. What you gonna do about it, scrub? Oh, you mad, bro? Oh, man. Must sting. Must suck being you, scrub. Man. People mad, man. People mad. I'm living my life, dude. I'm doing all I can to help people. People hate it, dude. People hate the good in the world. They hate it, man. That's why your Bitcoin stuffed in a mattress, young love? Okay, dude. Thanks, dude. All right. Pump it, dude. Dump it, man. Walton Chain, Tron Connect, and Verge Connect. Verge Connect, best project. What is this, 2018? Oh, I was on Link, man, and I never went back to it. Here's your neutral pattern. Neutral pattern, man. Measure move the downside, $1.36. Measure move the upside, $3.40. All right. And guess what, man? I mean, dude, it's like you had the move. Still not much value. All right. Still like, could break down. All right. That's it, dude. That's like simply it. So I think it was like a 50% retrace or something. Yeah, right. 62% golden retrace. But when you rally, you've been nothing but lower highs. Not really what you're looking for. It's a big impulse down. XABCD pattern, man. Could go it's like nearly 12K is the 886 11.9 or so. MJ Hill, come on, man. We looked at XRP. We've looked at it time and time again, man. Just did a video on it yesterday. Was that not good enough? And now it's selling off some. Okay. It's just kind of doing nothing. It's the weekend. That's right, Aaron. Look at Arion. Look at it. Visa for crypto.com? No, I've not used it. I've not used any crypto credit card at all. I think Logan just started using that. So, King Logan, can you say something about you get the Tezos card or something? I can't remember what it was. You can't see on screen? You might need to get your eyes checked.
Bruh.
Hi. Not bragging. Get wrecked, dude. Are you out there? There. Alright, man. I don't know. Look, I've been live 2 hours, 30 minutes. 2 hours, 30 minutes on an evening that has just been big old nothing burger for the corn. Sentiment has now plummeted. We're going back into it, man. Like the bear trend for crypto sentiment. It's okay. Price action holding strong, man. We don't care. We don't really, I mean, we're good. We still looking at the oscillators. We're not looking at the whatever amount of people that care. Sure thing, MJ, man. Still trying to hold in there. You really want, man, if you want any of these alts that are showing promise, you want them to lift off. You need this to just stop doing what it's been freaking doing, man. You got to stop it. It just doesn't need to go up anymore. It needs to stop where it is. If it keeps going up, the altcoins are going to become more and more illiquid. And it's just going to not be good for them. They're not performing well compared to Bitcoin. And this is a big culprit where in April, we were at 50% market cap. Now we're at 70% total market cap dominance. Nah, dude, I'm not doing a marathon stream. not on a Saturday night or Friday night. With Bitcoin price action doing nothing and us being an hour and a half away from it. I can't, man. I'm actually about to get out of here. Okay. It's been a good one, man. It's been a real good one. And appreciate not bragging for coming by, winning. Brew. Yeah, dude. Brew Connect.
Bruh.
So, yeah, man. It's been great. Thank y'all for being here. I was very just on the fence about even streaming tonight. I didn't even know, man. I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling good. Just, I don't know, man. There's a lot of ups and downs, and you know, you can make money, but like, dude, my profession, like my main thing is like streaming, and there's ups and downs in it, you know, when it's like whatever. So, but the main thing is just me continuing to try to show up every day, and every time I show up, I try to instill some sort of lesson, right? And it doesn't have to be about trading, just be about life, whatever, good stuff. Just trying to be positive influence in your life. Okay, and if you're not having a good day, just maybe I can make your day just a little bit better, man. Just a little bit, all right? And y'all are incredible, because y'all are every day making my life a little bit better, man, right? Always. Best freaking community. Not just in crypto, but in the whole world. I love y'all. So I'll just be back sometime tomorrow. Fantastic stream, y'all. Till next time, respect the TA.
Bruh.
pense que ça marchera pas, mais j'y ai cru quand même. Je nous revois, je revois tes yeux, je revois ta bouche, je revois tes cheveux, ton visage. Et je me demande si toi aussi t'y penses. Je me demande si toi aussi tu me revois quand tu fermes les yeux et quand tu rêves. C'est un rêve impossible. Tu m'avais
Bruh.
name is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
I have some evidence Man Bear Pig could be in this area.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Adios, turd nuggets.